In this video, I'll be showing you how to add sound to a video you are working on using CapCut. Okay, so you can add either sound from your file manager or you can record directly on CapCut. Okay, or you can use stock sounds. CapCut has stock sounds. So what are stock sounds? These are stock audio clips that you can use to put as background sound or music. Okay, it comes in different forms. All right, so to do that, click on audio. All right, you will see record. Okay, you will see extracted. All right, now extracted has to do with maybe you have a video in your phone that you want to extract the sound of that video to the new video you are working on, then you use extracted. Okay, then we have sounds. All right, now when you go to sounds, you're going to see vlog, pop, beats, travel, R&B, love. Okay, this is under TikTok. CapCut is synchronized with TikTok. If you are conversant with TikTok, you'll be seeing something like this template is from CapCut. Okay, so here you can choose stock sounds. Okay, these sounds are not copyrighted. You can use them. When you click on pop, you can see, okay, different sounds. So if you want musical or instrumental, you can even type it. Piano, for example, you want piano. Okay, it's going to bring out different piano sounds, okay, that you can choose from. When you play, it's loading. Can you see? You can play it to the end so that you can choose the one you want. All right, then you have this folder. This folder has to do with extracted or from your device. Okay, when you tap from your device, it's going to show you all the audio or music in your phone. Okay, you can scroll up to see them, then or you can search for it. If there's a particular one, you know the file name, the music name, you search for it. Okay, now this other icon, this that has to do with fire, is recommended. Okay, these are recommended sounds or stock sounds that CapCut recommends for you. And mind you, for you to use these sounds that is not from your phone or saved in your phone, you need to have internet connection. Okay, then here this other icon represents favorite. These are favorite sounds that you have used. You can save it so that you can easily locate it. So let's just add sound quickly. So let me just go to beats. Okay, let's just select one. All right, then you click on this plus icon. Can you see the sound has been added? Let's play. All right, so this is how you can add sound to videos or pictures in CapCut. Okay, now when you add a sound, you're going to see something like copyright check. You can now tap on it. It says couldn't run copyright for videos less than 1 minute. Okay, so even if you are not sure that the sound you imported from the stock sound is free from copyright, you can check it using this. Okay, but the video has to be more than 1 minute. All right, now under effects, okay, when you click on effects, you will see sounds. Okay, commonly used sounds for editing. Okay, for example, if you are looking for clap, cheering, you just see it here. Okay, now what this effect does is that this effect categorizes commonly used sounds, okay, that editors use. Now when you click on performance, when you click on transition, you will easily find a sound you can use for transition. For example, if you want to do a 10-second countdown, you can see it. You want to do 3-second countdown. 3, 2. Okay, you want to do a swipe. Can you see? So now what this effect does is that it brings different custom sounds that editors use. So you can easily find them here using the effect button. Okay, can you see? Now you can see that sometimes when you play some videos, you get some sounds. If they are using CapCut, you can easily get these sounds that they are using from effect. Okay, let's check ambience. Can you see thunder? So if you are doing a kind of video editing that needs a thundering sound, you can use this. Okay, animal, the same thing. So this effect gives you quicker access to sounds that editors use. Okay, if you are a regular editor, there are some sounds you want to use in your video or photo editing with CapCut. You can use this effect to get these sounds. All right, so this is how you can add sounds to your video or picture that you are working on CapCut. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you.